Hey guys, Mike Chin on this week's Costco review. Another soup dumpling popped up, and this time beef pho flavor soup dumpling and Japanese gyoza. Let's try these soup dumplings out. And these are really easy to cook. Inside, there's 6 trays. Each tray has 6 dumplings, and you just pop one of these trays into the microwave for 2 minutes, and it's ready to eat. These are already fully cooked dumplings, so really just gotta heat them up. Also, they give you individual sauce packs for every single tray. At least from the picture, these should be very soupy, very meaty dumplings. Let's see if they are. Just took these dumplings out of the microwave. Honestly, just by the first impression, you would think it light on its resume. They're looking kind of gray and very flat. All right, give it a little nibble. All right. So the skin is very thin. That's always a good sign. Inside, pretty good size filling. And it's definitely swimming in a lot of juice. Oh, wow. Give this little dip in the sauce. Awesome. Never judge a dumpling by its wrapper. This is all sorts of transformative. I've had dumplings from this brand before. They actually make some amazing dumplings, and they just freaking nail this one. Like I said, the wrapper very thin. Got a nice chew to it, not soggy at all. It's gonna pop this whole thing in my mouth. You should try that. When the dumplings are not so hot, dunk it in some of the sauce and pop the whole thing in your mouth. You're just gonna experience the most wonderful beefy explosion. This dumpling tastes like 3 different things at the same time. It tastes like a Chinese soup dumpling. It's really soupy, very beefy. A little bit of vegetable in there as well to kind of balance out the richness. It's also got cellophane noodle in there, which makes this also taste like a Korean dumpling. And it absolutely tastes like Vietnamese pho. The soup is beefy, you can taste the herbs, and most importantly, like Vietnamese pho, it warmed my stomach up in seconds. This is one of the most unique soup dumplings I ever had, and it is just masterful. Best thing is, you're starving. Nobody likes to wait for food. 2 minutes, all it takes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a solid 9.5 out of 10. Get yourself some of these soup dumplings. Next Costco product to try out, Japanese style gyoza. So it's saying we gotta pan fry these things. When it comes to Japanese gyoza, pan frying is the only way. All right, that didn't work exactly how I expected. The dumplings cook in about 7 minutes. It's got a beautiful golden bottom. You can tell the wrapper is very thin and delicate. This looks, smells, and tastes like a gyoza you'll get from a restaurant. And from someone who's had many dumplings in his life, this is as close to a perfect 10 out of 10 gyoza as you'll ever find. This is everything you want in a delicious gyoza. Skin, perfect, thin, chewy, light. The filling, pork and chicken, juicy, flavors perfect, little bit of vegetables. And when you sear it, the bottom becomes toasty with a nice subtle crunch. I mean, authentic Japanese style dumplings is right. This is absolutely authentic. So easy to make, amazingly delicious. And if you've ever been to a Japanese restaurant, gyoza, they're not cheap. But this, well, you got 60 dumplings in here, so less than a quarter a dumpling. Ridiculous deal for something that tastes this good. I think I like this more than the soup dumpling I just had. Try this for yourself. Guarantee you, this is some restaurant quality gyoza. You know what? This is better than some restaurant gyozas I've had. And that wraps up another Costco food review. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, See you later.